Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make two recipes. One is green yogurt drink, the other one is mango chutney. So for the green yogurt drink, I'm going to take 2 cups of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of sliced onions, half a cup of cilantro or coriander leaves, small piece of ginger, 3 chilies, 1 sprig of curry leaves, salt to taste. For the second recipe, I'll be using half a cup of coconut, half a cup of green raw mango, and I'll be using some of the ingredients from the first recipe. Let's get started with the yogurt drink. I'm going to put everything into the blender and then mix it. And I'm going to add salt. You can adjust according to your taste. And blend it. After blending the mixture, I'm going to strain it. I've finished straining the mixture, and this is the residue which comes after straining. I'm going to use this for mango chutney. Now for the second part of the recipe, I'm going to use the residue. I'm going to use it, put it inside the mortar, and then put all the ingredients together. And salt, you can add it according to your taste. Now I'm going to use the pestle to mash it up. I have crushed and grinded the mixture. This is how it looks like. You can use this mixture to mix it with hot steamed rice. Now your green mango chutney is ready. Also your green yogurt drink is ready. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you.